In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to paste in place in Adobe Illustrator so your objects land in the exact same position every single time. If you've ever copied something and then struggled to line it up perfectly on another artboard or layer, this quick trick will save you a lot of time. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share the keyboard shortcut that makes this process much faster. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and select the object that you want to copy. This can be anything: a shape, text, an icon, a logo element, or even a grouped set of objects. Use the Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing V on your keyboard, and simply click on the object to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box appear around it. Once your object is selected, the next step is to copy it. To do that, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+C if you're on Mac. You can also copy by going up to the top menu, clicking on Edit, and then choosing Copy. This stores the object in your clipboard, ready to be pasted. Now here's where most people make a mistake. If you just press Ctrl+V to paste, Illustrator will paste the object, but it may not land in the exact same position relative to your artboard. It often shifts slightly, especially if you're working across multiple artboards. That's why we use a special paste option called Paste in Place. To paste in place, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, choose Paste in Place. When you click this option, Illustrator pastes the copied object in the exact same X and Y coordinates as the original. That means it appears perfectly aligned in the same position as the item you copied. This is especially useful when you're duplicating objects onto another layer. For example, if you want to create a backup version, add effects, or separate design elements without changing their position, Paste in Place keeps everything perfectly aligned. It's also incredibly helpful when working with multiple artboards and you need consistent placement across layouts. Now let's talk about the shortcut, because this is what really speeds up your workflow. Instead of going to Edit and clicking through the menu every time, you can press Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows. On a Mac, that would be Command+Shift+V. The moment you press this shortcut, Illustrator pastes the object directly in place without any movement at all. So the full quick workflow looks like this. Select your object, press Ctrl+C to copy, then press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste in place. That's it. Fast, accurate, and perfectly aligned. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you don't immediately see the pasted object, check your Layers panel. Sometimes the object is pasted onto the currently active layer. Make sure the correct layer is selected before using Paste in Place so your object appears exactly where you expect it. Another helpful scenario is when you're aligning objects between locked guides or template layers. Because Paste in Place preserves the original position data, it ensures pixel-perfect accuracy, which is essential for logo design, UI layouts, and print projects. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to paste in place in Adobe Illustrator using both the menu option and the keyboard shortcut. It's a small feature, but once you start using it, it becomes an essential part of your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips. Let me know in the comments what other Illustrator tips you'd like to see, and I'll see you in the next video.